Hello everyone, in this Titan tutorials video, we're going to show you how to remove and replace the outer tie rod on your Nissan Titan. You'll need a 7/8 socket, a 15/16 wrench, a vice grip, and a pair of needle nose pliers. Let's get started. Here on the driver's side, the first thing we must do is remove this cotter pin. Bend the cotter pin straight, and then using a pair of needle nose pliers, work the pin out of the bolt. Using your 7/8 socket, we have to remove the nut that is holding the tie rod in place. Using a hammer or mallet, give the bolt a few good taps and the tie rod will drop. Next, we have to break the lock nut using your 15/16 wrench. You want to turn the nut clockwise and use a pair of grips to ensure that you don't twist the entire steering assembly. Now we're free to remove the outer tie rod from our Nissan Titan. Try to leave the lock nut in the same place it was before. You just want to break the nut and loosen it enough for you to remove the tie rod. The placement of the lock nut will be your guide when you install the new part. The entire tie rod will unscrew by turning it counterclockwise. Turn until the tie rod is removed. Here's our old tie rod along with the brand new part. You'll notice that the boot on our old tie rod has busted. It's cracked in multiple places and unable to hold grease. Our new tie rod is a direct fit replacement. It comes with a Zerk fitting should we ever want to add grease. You can compare the parts side by side here. The new tie rod also comes with a castle nut, so you don't have to save the old nut that we just removed. We're ready to install our new outer tie rod on our Nissan Titan. Working in reverse of what we did earlier, screw the tie rod clockwise until it loosely meets the lock nut. Align and insert the tie rod back into the knuckle. You may have to adjust the lock nut a few turns to give the new part the clearance it needs. We tighten the lock nut after we reattach the tie rod. Hand tighten the castle nut and then grab your 7/8 socket. Using your 7/8 socket, torque down the castle nut. Each manufacturer will have their own torque specifications that come with the part. It'll be somewhere between 30 and 40 foot-pounds. We're free to tighten down our lock nut. Hand tighten till it's snug and then finish tightening with your 15/16 wrench. So that's how you install a new outer tie rod on your Nissan Titan. We've got our castle nut torqued down and the cotter pin in place, and the other end is fastened with our lock nut. We hope that this video helps you on your next install. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.